Hello and welcome back to my IGTV. My name is Tastie Dine, also known as Miss B What for my official peeps out there. Hey, up close and personal. I have some important news to share with you guys. It's not new, but it is important, so stay tuned. This product, Lakanto monk fruit sweetener, is brought to you by Saraya Kenya Company Limited. It's a company owned by a family called the Saraya family, and it's a Japanese branded company. It's not a US based company for most of you who think it is. So you guys must be aware by now that I am in partnership with Saraya Kenya Company Limited. I'm just part of the team, and we are trying to put across different information in terms of food content, in terms of just basic knowledge about these products for you to understand, so you can actually purchase it, try it for yourself, see if it does any good justice to you and your body, basically, because it's not like normal sugar looks like and cooks like and bakes like and tastes like normal sugar. And most of you guys have been asking so many good questions, very important questions about this product, and I'm here today to share with you this information about this product, and I hope you guys are ready to receive it. Are you ready to receive it? I know you are. In two packages so far. It's the 235 grams, which is the baby one, and then the 800 grams, which is the brother one. I don't know why I say it's a brother. It could be a sister. I mean, yeah. Before we get into the real deal and how much it costs and everything, you need to understand what you're actually buying, right? Let's just start with the simple basic things though. Everyone wants to know, what is the advantages of this product? Why should I put my money in and buy this product? The advantages of having this product: 1, it looks like sugar. 2, it cooks like sugar. 3, it tastes like sugar. And 4, it bakes like sugar. So if you're a baker, if you cook with sugar, if you do anything that involves a sugar ingredient or even tea, then this is for you. This is that product. You need to know about this product. It's vegan, it's gluten free, it has 0 calories. Zero calories. It's a non-GMO, meaning it does not have genetically modified organisms in it. Lifestyle friendly, diabetic people, obesity people, paleo diet. The funny thing I hear people say is the comparison they're giving stevia, which is another 0 calorie sweetener, and the monk fruit. These two products are so different, people. Let me emphasize on that. They are so different with so many things. If you're one of those people who compare stevia and the Lakanto monk fruit sweetener, don't do it. No, don't do it. The main difference between the monk fruit and the stevia, you can caramelize, meaning it's very suitable for baking. Very suitable. Can you hear me? Hello? I'm saying it's very suitable for baking. Stevia is not. You can definitely use it for your tea and for your smoothies or milkshakes, but for baking, trust me, you will definitely in capital get the aftertaste. This Lakanto, girl, I got you. It does not have any aftertaste. 0 aftertaste. It's gluten free, it's vegan, it has 0 glycemic, which means the quantity of sugar you use will not spike your insulin. That's for the diabetic people and people with just health situation. It's very friendly to health people. Every story has two sides of the coin, and this Lakanto has its very glamorous, shiny advantages, but it also has its disadvantages, and I'm gonna share it with you. The disadvantages of this Lakanto MONKFRUIT sweetener is pricey for some people. Have the small package, which basically goes for 950 shillings, and the big packet, which is 800 grams, which goes for 2,200 shillings. Its benefits and its advantages of this product, I think it's pretty well priced. I think it's pretty well priced. But if you haven't used it and you have an opinion, girl, let's know. Try it and then have an opinion about it. So the other disadvantage is that it's not easily accessible to most of us. That's why we only have 3 people who have this product. Apart from the clients who actually bought it from us, we're only 3 people who have this product in Kenya. So it's me, it's Saraya Kenya Company Limited, and the supply folks, my other distributor partner. Yes, I am part of the distribution person. I distribute it to retailers and wholesalers. So Carrefour, Taskies, Uchumi, Akina Tonka Whole Foods. Yes, I'm calling you out. Akina Green Spoon, the people who stock this type of products can come through Healthy You. What are you doing with yourself if you don't have the sweetener? The other very important disadvantage about this product is if you take it in large quantities, as it's a 1-to-1 sugar replacement. Meaning what? Let's say for instance you use 2 teaspoons of sugar in your tea. This one says you have to balance it out. So if you're using your normal table sugar, 1 teaspoon, and another 1 teaspoon of this, that's well balanced. You won't have any allergies or discomforts. What I'm trying to say is you have to take it in small quantities. It's a very concentrated sugar substance products. I will insert a video to show you guys exactly how it looks like, and you can decide if you really want to buy this product, because you really do need to buy this product. Those people with keto diet, paleo, and what else, vegan, gluten-free, all those people, I know we are many in this country. We are here, so this product is for you. Get right into it. And yo guys, this product KEBS approved, so we're here to stay. By the way, we are here to stay. Like I mentioned, I will repeat this again, we are only 2 distributors in Kenya who have this product stocked up and ready for distribution whenever you guys want. And either contact me, Tastie Dine, or the supply folks. He's based in Mombasa County. I'm based in Nairobi County, so you can reach us anywhere. Instagram, Facebook, the same name. You can email us. I think that's it. So if you have any questions about this product, getting some information about this product, and learning something that you totally didn't know, please feel free to contact me, DM me, and I'll be sure to reach out. Yeah, I think that's it. I think I've tackled everything else. If I haven't, please ask me anything you want to ask me about the topic of this video. So thank you guys for listening, tuning in. Bye.